Alright guys, you are welcome to Dice Media TV. Today I want to introduce a new airdrop to you called Wexpoly Airdrop. So those who are on Twitter, my Twitter handle is at Dice Moneymakers. I'll be doing it through the video, so you'll be seeing how it is spelled. And also those on YouTube, my channel name is Dice Media TV. Alright, as I usually to teach you how to earn free Wexpoly Airdrop. So as I usually say, airdrops are 100% free. Do not pay any penny or any fee for any airdrop. Airdrop are 100% free. So sorry for the pop-ups. Okay. Alright, so those on YouTube will be getting the referral link in the description box. The title of this video, you'll be seeing an arrow at your right hand side of this title. When you tap there, you'll be seeing a drop down. Then you'll be seeing our WhatsApp link. Our WhatsApp link also there, and the airdrop link. The airdrop to this video link, you'll be seeing that one also there. So let's continue. After you click on that link, the referral link, it will redirect you to Telegram bot like this. So all that you have to do now is go to start. So they will give you some question to answer. So 50 plus 43 is 93. So after that, they will ask you to join all these platforms. So you go to join chat. So they will ask you either you are a human being or not. So you have to click here to prove you are human. So after that, you'll be seeing that here will pop up. Then you go back. Then you go to the second one. That one I've joined already, but if you are a new person, you'll be seeing the join button there. I'm using the Telegram X, so you just follow me. Alright, so this one too I've joined. Let me check the airdrop primary. Yeah, so those who are using the original Telegram, the blue one, you'll be seeing join here. But those who are using the the Telegram X is follow. So then you follow, you go back, you go to the unicorn payment, you join or follow. So I'm saying for both those on the Telegram itself and Telegram X. Then you go back. After that, you go to what? Joined. When you go to join, they will ask you to follow them on Twitter. So you click here and follow them. I had already followed, so you have to do that. And then after you follow, you enter let me do the follow for you, especially to the new ones who are into airdrops. For the sake of the new ones who are into airdrop. So after you follow, let's wait a little. Okay. So as you can see here, I had already follow their Twitter handle. So for the new users, let me unfollow this so that you can get the concept very well. So for the new users, so unfollow. For the new users, you'll be seeing the follow here in what? Black color. You'll be seeing it in black color. So after that, then you follow it to be, so you can see the unfollow here. So now I'm going to follow for you. So you, all right, so you just have, after you follow, you just have to go back to your Telegram bot. then we continue from there. So right now they are asking us to enter our username, so you have to enter your username. This is the Dice Money Makers. Dice Money Makers. That's my Twitter handle name, the username. So you can follow me there, as I said earlier. Dice Money Makers. So you'll be seeing a drop box will come like this. When you go to my account, it will give you the total Wexpoly that you are having. When you go to referrals, it will ask you, here is your referral link. So any person that you refer, you get 100p or 100 Wexpoly. Then the next thing that you have to do is to set up your wallet. So when you go to wallet, they will ask you to enter your Wexpoly contract address. So you have to go to the change wallet address. So when you go there, they will ask you to enter the Wexpoly account. So what you have to do now is go to your Trust Wallet. You have to go to Trust Wallet. You have to go to Trust Wallet. Alright, so when you go to Trust Wallet, you search for either Polygon contract address, or you will search for the Wexpoly. So exercise patience and have a look at it very well. Alright, so the next thing that you have to do is go here. Because it is already listed, that is why they didn't add the contract address. So I'm going to search for the Wexpoly. So they are having, so this is the Wexpoly, as you can see from here. So you have to enable this. After that, you tap on it, then you go to copy. Either you tap on the logo or you go to receive, then you get the contract address. So when I tap on the logo here, you'll be seeing it will tell me copy address. There's it. You'll be seeing the pop-up here. So I just have to go back to my Telegram bot to paste in my address. Alright, so this is the Wexpoly. So I'm going to paste in my contract address. So here is it. Then you paste it in here. Sorry for the delay. The phone is tied, that's why. Alright, so this is the address. Then submit it. Alright, so everything is set. So when you go today, so now the account is set, everything is set. So what you have to do next is go to the withdrawal. When you go to withdrawal, they will tell you to at least refer 5 people, which is around 500 Wexpoly to withdraw. So thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like to the video, and comment if you don't understand anything. You can join us on our WhatsApp page too. You can get it in the the description box. You get our WhatsApp link there. Thank you very much. See you in another video. But keep in mind that airdrops are 100% free. Do not pay any fee or any penny for any airdrop. Airdrops are 100% free. Do your own research before joining any airdrop. Thank you very much for being with us. Thank you.